In this video, we will learn how to apply text onto wrinkled fabric and how to give the text a displacement effect. Let's get started. For this, we will save two files with different names. So, for this, we will name the first file to main file, and the second file name is displacement file. Then click Save button. Now we will convert the displacement file color mode to grayscale. For this, first we rasterize the layer, then we will go to Image, then to Mode, and select Grayscale. Select Don't Flatten, and then select Discard button. We don't need to change the color information setting. To make the highlights and shadows more sharp, we will apply a levels adjustment layer to it and increase the both values like this. Slowly like this. Now we will create the final merge layer by using Ctrl plus, Shift plus, Alt plus T. Now we will open the second file. You can download the cloth image file, link in the description. Create a new layer. Now we will write text on it and change its font style and size. You can also scale the font by using Ctrl plus T and select one edge and drag it down to scale the text. Now we will change its color. Select any color and then press OK. Now we will select both layers, convert them into a smart object, and set the blending mode to multiply. Now we will select the smart object layer, go to Filter, then Distort, and choose Displace. You will see a dialog box. Set the values, select Displacement File, and click Open button. Now you will see that the displacement effect has been applied, and the fabric texture is also visible. I think the colors have spread too much. Now we will apply the displacement effect again. Undo the effect. Go to Filter, then Distort, and choose Displace. At this time, we will select the value 15 by 15, select Displacement File, and click Open button. I think the colors have spread even more. We will reduce the value to fix it. Undo the effect. Go to Filter, then Distort, and choose Displace. And select the value 8 by 8, then select Displacement File. I think the texture is perfect now, and the colors are no longer spreading. Now we will set the highlights and shadows of the text. For this, we will use the blending options. Rename the file to Highlights, then double-click on the text and select Blending Options. Press and hold Alt button to break the edge, and drag the mouse to left side slowly. You will see the highlights will appear. We can add more highlights using another method. For this, click and hold Ctrl button and click on Text Layer to make a selection of the text. Make a new group and mask it with the selection. Make new layer inside the group and apply Brightness Adjustment Effect. Go to Blending option and click on Brightness and Contrast. Reduce the brightness value and change the blending mode into luminosity for original color of text. Click on Text Layer, double-click on Brightness and Contrast layer, and press and hold the Alt button to break the edge and drag it to the left side slowly like this. Select the brush tool, reduce its size slightly, and choose a soft brush. Now adjust the both brightness and highlights of the text. This will show even better highlights and shadows. Adjust the brush size by increasing and decreasing it as needed while working. We can add highlights in another way. Press and hold the Control button and click on text to make a selection of the text, and then select Mask Group Layer and create White Solid Color Adjustment Layer. Change the blending option value of the layer, and press and hold Alt button to break the black edge and drag it right side slowly. The highlights and texture values have improved even further. Decrease the fill value. Now merge the layer by using Ctrl+, Alt+, Shift+E. Duplicate the merged layer and apply high pass effect. Change the high pass radius value 2.5 and click OK. Change the blending mode into overlay. You can see that the texture value has become even better. Decrease the fill value. So friend, here is the final result. Thanks for watching.